Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're interested in learning about finance, investing, and the world of stocks, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that often confuses even seasoned investors: stock splits. What are they, and how do they impact you? Let's find out. But first, I want to ask you a quick question. Have you ever wondered why a company's stock price suddenly changes, yet the company seems the same? Well, that's often because of a stock split. So, what exactly is a stock split? Let's break it down in a simple way. A stock split is a corporate action where a company divides its existing shares into multiple new shares. This doesn't change the overall market capitalization of the company, it simply increases the number of shares outstanding while reducing the price per share. For instance, in a 2-for-1 stock split, investors will receive 2 shares for every 1 share they currently own, but the total value remains the same. If you owned 1 share priced at $100, after the split, you would own 2 shares priced at $50 each. Now, you might be wondering why companies opt for stock splits in the first place. One primary reason is to make their shares more affordable to a broader range of investors. When a stock price becomes very high, it can deter potential investors. For example, let's consider a company like Amazon. Before its stock split in 2022, its shares were trading at over $3,000. A high price like that could make it difficult for everyday investors to buy even 1 share. By splitting the stock, it became more accessible. After the 2-for-1 split, the price dropped to about $150 per share, allowing more people to invest in the company. Stock splits can also create a psychological boost. When a company's stock price is lower, it might attract more retail investors, which can increase demand and potentially raise the stock price again. It's all about perception. Investors often see lower-priced stocks as more affordable or as having more room for growth. This can create a positive feedback loop where increased interest from investors drives the price up even further. However, it's crucial to remember that stock splits do not change the underlying value of the company. The fundamentals, like revenue, profits, and market position, remain the same. A stock split is purely cosmetic in nature. In fact, a study by the NYU Stern School of Business showed that while stock splits can lead to short-term price increases, they do not have a long-term impact on a company's performance. Another aspect worth mentioning is the reverse stock split. This is less common but works the opposite way. In a reverse split, a company reduces the number of its outstanding shares, which increases the price per share. Companies might do this to avoid delisting from stock exchanges if their share price falls below a certain threshold. For example, if a company executes a 1-for-10 reverse split, an investor with 10 shares at $1 each would now hold 1 share at $10. While this helps with compliance, it often raises concerns among investors as it can signal that the company is struggling. It's important for investors to stay informed about stock splits because they can impact investment strategies. For example, if a stock split is announced, it might be a good time to consider entering a position, especially if the company has solid fundamentals. Conversely, if you're holding shares of a company that just executed a reverse split, it may be a signal to reassess your investment. To wrap things up, stock splits are an essential concept in the investing world. They can make shares more accessible and can create a favorable market perception, but remember, they don't change the underlying value of the company. Always do your homework and consider the fundamentals before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on finance and investing. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever invested in a company that conducted a stock split? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.